In this video, I will show you how to download Nox Player in Windows 11. Nox Player is a very popular software. I will show you how to download it and install it. For download, simply open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. You can open any browser and type Nox Player. Here type Nox Player. Then press enter. When you type Nox Player and press enter, here you can see Nox Player, fastest and smoothest Android emulator for PC and Mac. Click on this link. When you click on this link, you reach Nox Player official website. For downloading it, simply click download. When you click this download button, Nox Player is asking where you want to download this file. I am choosing download folder and click save. And our file is downloading. We have to wait for completing this download process. When this process will be completed, we will install it. Before I can tell you something about it, it is a official website of Nox Player. You can see here many pictures of Nox Player, how its interface look like after installation. Here you can see many blog, user feedback, perfect Android emulator to play mobile game on PC, and much more. And simply click Ctrl and J. When you click Ctrl and J, you can see our file is downloading. You can see Nox Player has downloaded in Windows 11. For installing it, simply go where file available. Here you can see Nox Player has downloaded. For install it, simply click right and click open. When you click open, click yes. And our installation process has started. Click install. Wait for completion. You can see Nox Player has downloaded and installed in Windows 11. If you have any problem regarding Nox Player download and install, you can simply put comment and I will answer you.